Hey guys, it's your girl Seller 707. We're at the Washington D.C. Zoo, and check this out. These are the pink flamingos. Look, aren't they beautiful? Wow. Let's see if we can get an up close look at these flamingos. See if we can zoom in. Ooh, look at that one. Look how they tuck their necks up over there.
Why they are pink?
Look at this one.
Because they eat shrimp.
With their legs. It's so cool. Beautiful.
They eat shrimp. They eat so much shrimp that it turns.
Look at all of them. The coloring. They got a mallard duck over there.
The more shrimp they eat, the pinker they turn.
Here, Miss Hayes, they like shrimp. The more shrimp they eat, the better their color comes out. The pink color. Hey, that's a fact I didn't even know. Way to go, Miss Hayes.
Hey.
It's true. You still learn something new every day. Isn't it amazing how they are? Look at their feet. See if we can get close to that. Some web feet, and how they stand on one leg. Oh, check this one out. This one has something to say. Uh-oh. This is back nap time. Uh-oh. Checking something out. Isn't that cool how they do that? That is a beautiful bird. And look how they can just rotate their necks around. That is amazing. There's one over there walking around. Alright, that's just part one of many more videos to come. Alright, take care.